Your first car isn't just a ride, it's your freedom, your confidence, and your first step into the real driving world. Choose the right one, and every mile becomes easier, safer, and way more exciting. If there's one car that defines reliability, it's the Toyota Corolla 2026. For beginners, this car feels like a safety net on wheels. The steering is light, the braking is smooth, and everything responds exactly how you expect. No surprises, no stress. That's exactly what a new driver needs. With an impressive fuel economy of around 32 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway, the Corolla keeps your costs low while letting you drive more. But what truly stands out is its advanced safety system. Features like lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking act like a second brain, helping you avoid common beginner mistakes. Inside, the design is clean and simple. No confusing buttons, no distractions, just a focused driving experience. Add to that its strong resale value, and you get a car that's not only great today, but also smart for the future. The Honda Civic 2026 is where style meets confidence. It's perfect for beginners who want a car that feels easy to drive, but still offers a little excitement. From the moment you press the gas, the Civic feels smooth, controlled, and responsive. With around 158 horsepower, it gives you just enough power to handle highways without feeling overwhelming. The handling is sharp, the ride is stable, and the overall experience feels premium. This is the kind of car that grows with you as your skills improve. Fuel efficiency is another big win, reaching up to 42 mpg on highways. And with advanced safety features like collision mitigation braking and lane keeping assist, the Civic keeps you protected while you learn. The Hyundai Elantra 2026 is built for beginners who want modern design and smart technology. Right away, its bold and futuristic look grabs attention, but the real value is inside. This car delivers around 33 mpg in the city and 43 mpg on the highway, making it one of the most efficient choices for new drivers. But what really makes it beginner-friendly is its tech. Features like blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist make driving safer and less stressful. The digital dashboard is clear and easy to understand, helping you stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. It's a car that makes learning to drive feel simple and modern. Kia Forte 2026 is for beginners who want value. This car proves that you don't need to spend a lot to get reliability, comfort, and safety. The engine is smooth and easy to control, which is perfect for beginners still learning acceleration and braking. It delivers around 31 mpg in the city and 41 mpg on the highway, keeping your fuel costs low. What really stands out is its safety system. With features like forward collision warning and driver attention monitoring, the Forte helps you stay alert and avoid mistakes. Plus, Kia's long warranty gives you peace of mind for years. The Mazda 3 2026 is for beginners who actually want to enjoy driving. This car offers a level of control and responsiveness that makes every drive feel exciting. The steering is precise, the handling is sharp, and the car feels connected to the road. For beginners, this means better understanding and more confidence behind the wheel. It also delivers great fuel efficiency, around 30 mpg in the city and 40 mpg on the highway, while offering a premium interior that feels far above its price range. It's not just a car, it's an experience. The Nissan Versa 2026 is one of the best budget-friendly cars for beginners. It's simple, practical, and incredibly easy to drive. The engine is designed for smooth and predictable performance, making it perfect for new drivers. You won't feel overwhelmed, and every movement feels controlled. With around 35 mpg combined fuel efficiency, it's also very affordable to run. Add to that its low maintenance costs, and you get a car that's perfect for students or anyone starting out. Volkswagen Jetta 2026 brings a touch of European style to beginner-friendly driving. It's smooth, stable, and incredibly comfortable. The ride quality is one of its strongest points. Even at higher speeds, the car feels balanced and controlled, which is great for building confidence. It also offers excellent fuel efficiency, reaching up to 40 mpg on highways. Inside, the layout is clean and simple, making it easy for beginners to understand and use. If you want a car that feels solid, refined, and easy to handle, the Jetta is a fantastic choice. Your first car shapes your confidence, your habits, and your entire driving journey. Choose wisely, because the right car doesn't just take you places, it transforms how you drive.